Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many WordPress developers face when working with filters. Have you ever tried to use the add filter function to modify the page link in WordPress, only to find that it returns a 404 error? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this issue and explore the steps you can take to resolve it. We'll start by explaining what the add filter function does and how it's used in WordPress. Then, we'll break down the process of modifying page links using filters and highlight the common pitfalls that lead to 404 errors. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use add filter correctly and avoid those frustrating 404. So, let's start with the basics. The add filter function in WordPress allows developers to modify or extend the behavior of existing functions. When it comes to modifying page links, we typically use the page link filter to change the URL that's generated for a particular page. However, things can go wrong when using this filter. One common issue is that the modified link returns a 404 error. This usually happens because the new link doesn't match the actual permalink structure of the page. To understand why this happens, let's take a step back and look at how WordPress generates permalinks for pages. When you create a page in WordPress, it assigns a unique ID to that page and uses that ID to generate a permalink. The permalink is then used to retrieve the page content when someone visits that URL. Now, when we use the page link filter to modify the link, we're essentially changing the permalink that's being generated for that page. However, if the new permalink doesn't match the actual permalink structure of the page, WordPress won't be able to find the page content and will return a 404 error. So how can we avoid this issue? The key is to make sure that the modified link matches the actual permalink structure of the page. One way to do this is by using the getPermalink function to retrieve the original permalink for the page and then modifying it accordingly. Another common pitfall to watch out for is when using filters in conjunction with other plugins or themes that also modify permalink. In these cases, it's essential to ensure that your filter is being applied at the correct point in the process, so you don't end up with a link that's been modified multiple times. To summarize, when using the add filter function to modify page links in WordPress, keep the following key points in mind. Make sure the modified link matches the actual permalink structure of the page. Use the getPermalink function to retrieve the original permalink for the page and then modify it accordingly. Be cautious when using filters in conjunction with other plugins or themes that also modify permalink. That's it for today's video on resolving 404 errors when using the add filter function to modify page links in WordPress. We hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding the common issues and how to avoid them. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching